Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this quick video. So if you are watching this on YouTube, be sure that you subscribe, share, and like this video. And if you're watching this on Facebook, be sure that you follow me at Chrissy Wee so that anytime I drop any new content, you'll be the first to know so you don't miss out on anything. So today I'm going to show you how to upload any customized thumbnail on Twitter or either on IG. So my original video was 5 minutes long and I made sure that my video was less than 1 minute. So I think my video is roughly like 50 seconds. So what I did was I captured what I thought was the best 50 seconds of the 5-minute original video. Once I did that, I created a picture for my thumbnail. This is the thumbnail that I am going to use. The most important part in order to make this work, especially on Twitter, is your thumbnail needs to be the first part of your video that's displayed. So don't have any other kind of footage in front of the thumbnail. Do not have any other kind of pictures or anything in front of the thumbnail. If your video starts at 0 seconds, then you need to make sure that your thumbnail starts at 0 seconds. And I make sure that I do all of my editing with the software that I use, so I don't trim it or anything in Twitter, because I want to make sure that I have the flexibility to get rid of what I don't want, or to keep whatever I want. So I'll make sure that as I'm about to upload it to Twitter or either to Instagram, I make sure that it's ready to go. No other alterations are needed as far as with shortening the video. Now, if you don't really care about your audience actually seeing more of the thumbnail once they start to play your video, then you can go ahead and set the thumbnail for about 2 or 3 seconds. That's what I do. So that way it'll flash by, pretty quickly. But regardless of however you do it, make sure that your thumbnail is the first part of the video that you're going to upload. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So I'm going to use my cell phone to upload a video. So the first thing that you want to do is compose a tweet the way that you normally would and select the video that you want to upload. And then go ahead and add your caption and any hashtags that you may want to use. Once you see that your video has populated, go ahead and click on it, and then when you look at the bottom, you should see like this blue bar. You want to make sure that that is fully expanded on both ends, because that will control what you will see with your video. So if the first part of it, if it's chopped off, if it's not fully expanded, that is going to be the place where your video starts. So make sure that you drag the left side all the way to the left, and if you want the entire video towards the end, make sure that you drag it all the way to the right. So once you know that you've done that for sure, then it's okay for you to go ahead and post it. But the first part of the video is actually going to be your thumbnail. So that's the reason why I said make sure that your thumbnail is at the very beginning of the video. So as you can see here, my thumbnail is the one that I showed you. So the exact same video that I uploaded on Twitter, I'm going to upload that exact same video on Instagram. And I always like to zoom out versus zooming in, because I don't want any parts of the video to be chopped off. So I'm going to leave this as normal, and I'm going to select cover because that's what I want for my thumbnail, the picture that's there. Go ahead and add your caption and go ahead and upload it. And then I'm going to go back to my profile to make sure that the thumbnail that I want is the one that's actually displayed. So as you can see, I do have both of my customized thumbnails on Twitter and on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this on Twitter or either on Instagram, be sure that you go ahead and follow me. Also follow me on Facebook as well. And all of my social media information is in the descriptions. And thank you so much for watching. And until we meet again, bye.